going to be a more measured start, not as much as what the GIFT Nifty was indicating. But nonetheless, it is about a 180-point pop for the Nifty at the start, and 26,000 is here after a long wait. I think it was September 24 last when we were at these levels, 26,000. So it's been a long grind, a long wait, and finally the bulls have managed to take the mark. And now let's see what the leaders are looking like. Infosys right on top, almost 3% up on that stock. It has its peers in quick succession: HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro. So ITE is off to a very solid start this morning. Titan, the stock that Mangalam was just highlighting on the back of that brokerage note, 1.5% up on Titan as well, so looking good. Shriram Finance, there's intense speculation around Shriram Finance. Is a large Japanese conglomerate looking at taking a strategic sale. Company hasn't independently confirmed it, but the buzz refuses to die down. 1.5% up on that stock as well. Let's see what else. Tata Steel, Bajaj Finance, Hindalco. These are some of the other gainers. HUL and Reliance, the big boys, they're chipping in quite nicely as well. 0.5% to about 0.7% on the upside. The downside is not too much, actually. Just Interglobe Aviation, there's Max Healthcare. A little bit of red on these stocks, but otherwise looking good. And for now, guys, we're holding on to this 160, 170 point sort of a gain.
Well, that's right. The broader market, so plenty of stocks are moving around. It mentioned today the stocks of the day could potentially be those that got hit when we didn't get a favorable deal coming out of the United States. So for the time being, you have Gokuldas, Welspun Living and Intercount, all of them on fire, gaining anything between 5 to around 10%. On optimism that India and the United States are getting to a trade deal. So just take a look at those stocks. They're building on gains as we speak. So hopes are very high, and that's why all these three names doing pretty well. Welspun Living as well, Intercount. Let's get both those two up. Also throw in there the seafood plays. You have Apex Frozen as well as Avanti Foods. Both those two stocks, large volumes, big gainers today. Both of them up and about in trade today. EPAC Prefab, that's the other stock that's dancing away. Came out with its set of numbers. And that one as well has popped up in trade. So good up move is what we're seeing on that one. What's losing out? NMDC. NMDC is down. The price cut that came about was larger than expected. The street was bracing for a 250, 300 rupee price cut at most. The price cut is to the tune of around 500 to 550 rupees, which explains why that stock is down closer around 3%. So a good start to trade. Above the 26,000 odd mark, breadth of the market in favor of the number of stocks advancing. Yes, it's the Bali.
Manappuram and Muthoot though are having a bit of a dull day. Stocks have opened with a cut of about 2.5%, tracking the decline, the profit booking and the unwind seen in gold prices. Dixon Tech, I think there is a CLSA downgrade on Dixon Tech, and that stock is lower by close to about 1.2%. But, really, it's the, garment names, and the gains are extending to so many other stocks. So it's Vardhaman Textile, a Himmat Singha Seed, a Trident, across the board. We spoke about Kitex Garments and Gokuldas Exports, which are seeing a double-digit up move. But the gains are cutting across the entire textile value chain, and stocks are doing very, very well. And the other one are the shrimp makers, so Avanti and Avanti Feeds, for instance, up also close to about 5.5%. Jain Resource Recycling, again, a recent listing, and the company has announced some expansion plans, and that stock has opened up with a gain of about 2.5%. A couple of banks are doing well. AU Small Finance Bank, a stock Nitin was just talking about that he likes. DCB Bank, also higher in trade. Shriram Finance has now moved up to a gain of nearly 1%. And in IT, mid-cap IT, you've got a Birla Soft, Sonata Software, Persistent, Emphasis, Coforge, also opening up in the green. So generally, green on the screen for IT this morning.
Okay.